Hello, this is Rahul Jadhav, second year student of Computer Department of ZIL Polytechnic. Our project topic is application for converting lowercase document content to uppercase under the guidance of Mahesh Pawar sir. Our course name is Java Programming and course code is 22412. We see the introduction of Java. Java is a programming language created by James Gosling from Sun Microsystem in 1991. The target of Java is to write a program once and then run this program on multiple operating systems. The first publicly available version of Java was released in 1995. Oracle has now the state management for Java. In 2006, Sun started to make Java available under the GNU, General Public License. Oracle continues this project called OpenJDK. Over time, new enhanced versions of Java have been released. The current version of Java is Java 1.8, which is also known as Java 8. Java is defined by a specification and consistency of programming language, a compiler core libraries, and a runtime. The Java runtime allows software developers to write the program code into other language than the Java programming language, which still runs on the Java virtual machines. The Java platform is usually associated with the Java virtual machine and the Java core libraries. So, in this project, we will study about how to build application for converting lowercase document content to uppercase using string methods. String in Java. Generally, string is a sequence of characters, but in Java, string is an object that represents a sequence of characters. The Java line strings class is used to create a string object. Then we see the detailed information about string. Java string. In Java, string is basically an object that represents sequence of char values. An array of characters work as same as Java strings. For example, string s Rahul. Java string class provides a lot of methods to perform operation on strings such as a compare, concat, equal, split, length, replace, compare to, intern, substring, etc. There are two ways to create string object. First is by string literals and second one is by new keyword. String literal. Java string literal is created by using double quotes as shown in example. Then using of new keyword, that is also shown in example. Then we will see the string methods that is used in our project. First is to uppercase. The to uppercase method converts a string into uppercase letter, and this is the syntax of to uppercase letter. Then second is to lowercase. The to lowercase method converts a string into a lowercase letter, and this is the syntax of to lowercase method. Then we will see the other string methods and their description. First is equal. Compare these strings to the specified object. Then equals ignore case. Compare these strings to another string ignoring case. Concat. Concatenates the specified string to the end of this string. Compare to. Compare two strings and return integer value. Compare to ignore case. Compare to string ignoring case differences. Substring. Return new string that is substring of the string to uppercase. Convert all the characters in the string to uppercase. The to lowercase converts all the characters in the string to lowercase. Trim returns a copy of the string with the leading and trailing white spaces omitted. Caret returns a character value at the specified index. Length returns a length of the string. After that, we see about Java user input. The scanner class is used to get user input and it is found in the Java util package. The use of the scanner class create an object of the class and use any of the available methods found in the scanner class documentation. In our example, we will use the next line method which is used to read string. Example. First we import the scanner class in import Java util scanner. Then declare main method. Then we create object of scanner class. Then we get input from user. Then we read the user input and then show the output of user. After After that, we see different methods that use to read user input. First is next boolean, reads a boolean value from the user. Then next byte, reads a byte value from the user. Next double, reads a double value from the user. Next float, reads a float value from the user. Next int, reads integer value from the user. Next line, reads a string value from the user. Next long, reads a long value from the user. Next short, reads a short value from the user. After that, we see our main program of project. First is import a scanner class, then declare main method. After that, creating object of scanner class, then get string from a user, and then read this string from get user, then convert the string into the uppercase letter, and then show the output. You can also see in the output window, our string is converted into uppercase letter. So our programming runs successfully. So in this project, we learn about history of Java, the Java strings, string methods, and its function, and how to build application using string methods.